All right, this is the spelling test for Thunder Rose. Our words this week, we were practicing our open and closed syllables. So make sure you number your paper 1 through, I think we're going to do 20. 1 through 20. Number 1, fever. When I was sick, I ran a fever. Fever. Number 2, broken. I couldn't use the chair because it was broken. Broken. Number 3, climate. The climate is different in the winter compared to the summer climate. Number 4, hotel. When we go out of town, we stay in a hotel. Hotel. Number 5, basic. I make sure that my dog has her basic needs met. Basic. Number 6, vocal. I was very vocal about getting hurt. Vocal. Number 7, native. I am from Nebraska, so I say that I am native. Native. Number 8, silent. Please make sure that you are silent in the hallways. Silent. Number 9, labor. Putting in a pool would take a lot of labor to do. Labor. Number 10, spider. I screamed when I saw the ugly spider. Spider. Number 11, label. Make sure you put a label on your paper. Label. Number 12, icon. Look on your iPad screen and find the icon that you need. Icon. Next one, number 13, agent. He was an agent for the FBI. Agent. Number 14, motive. I wanted to have something to eat for dinner, so that was my motive for cooking. Number 15, vital. It is vital that your heart beats. Vital. Number 16, acorn. The squirrel will hide an acorn to have during the winter. Acorn. Number 17, item. I only purchased one item from the store. Number 18, aroma. There was a wonderful aroma coming from the kitchen. Number 19, ego. I felt really good about myself. My ego was in check. Ego. And number 20, solo. I got a solo in the school musical. Solo. Your bonus word, yep, it's gonna be a tricky one. It is patriot. They wanted the colonies to break up with England, so they were considered a patriot.